took a piece of the acrylic and then I molded it into this shape. By the way, here I also made this cartridge that would load the dental floss in there. And so guys, finally, there we have it, the amazing Spider-Man web shooter. And this is the actual web shooter itself. This has a cartridge, and surprise, surprise, that is removable and magnetic as well. Not only this, let's keep the cartridge aside. Here we have a really nice tinge of silver color. And this top piece is also magnetic, so this comes off, revealing the internals. So this is how you load it, and here we also have a transparent badge. So if you just put this on, so here you can just see through it. Originally I was planning to put a LED right over here, but I feel that without LED it looks way cooler. So yeah, now let's talk about the inside and how we actually wear it and the shooting mechanism. So as you can see, the Velcro, so simply you just wear it like this. You put it like that and you simply wear it. And as far as the shooting mechanism is concerned, so just like that, it goes right here, and to shoot it, you need to do like this. You need to pull down upon this so that this lever also kind of pulls down and it kind of shoots the web and the whole thing out. So guys, this right here is the actual bullet. When you shoot it, it will stick to magnetic surfaces. And this right here is the web, which we can load in the cartridge. So guys, any further information regarding how to actually use this, how to shoot it, and the damage and the range test, we'll do that in the next video. Cause guys, I believe it's enough for this video, cause I also taught you how to make this. So now you can make it on your own. And that's pretty much it for the Spider-Man web shooter for this video. So I hope you enjoyed this super exclusive content from Mr. Fun, and thanks for watching.